Welcome to Alchemy House, an extraordinary fusion of French provincial elegance and cutting-edge contemporary design. Positioned on the prestigious Monomeath Avenue in Canterbury, this internationally acclaimed residence redefines luxury living with unparalleled craftsmanship and architectural brilliance. Spanning 3 meticulously designed levels, Alchemy House is a sanctuary for the discerning collector, art enthusiast, and connoisseur of fine living. The grandeur begins with a voluminous marble entry hall, revealing exquisite formal living and dining spaces curated by celebrated designer Dylan Farrell. Every wall, adorned with polished plaster or hand-finished stucco, is a work of art, while bespoke lighting installations and a seamless blend of rare marbles and precious timbers elevate the aesthetic to museum-like perfection. At the heart of the home, 2 striking marble-clad kitchens, equipped with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, set the stage for culinary mastery. Flowing seamlessly from indoors to outdoors, an alfresco dining area with a fully equipped outdoor kitchen is framed by breathtaking Paul Bengay gardens, leading to a glass mosaic tiled swimming pool and spa. Accommodation is palatial, with 5 bedroom suites, each accompanied by a luxuriously appointed ensuite. The master suite is a private retreat, featuring an award-winning ensuite and an opulent walk-in dressing room. Complementing these living spaces are an exclusive study, a 5-star cinema, and a wellness centre with a day spa, sauna, and mirrored gymnasium. A true showpiece, the 16-vehicle showroom boasts gallery lighting and glass walls, seamlessly connecting to the grand foyer and lower-level entertainment spaces, including a stunning wine cellar and tasting room. Experience Alchemy House, where luxury, artistry, and innovation converge in perfect harmony.